Welcome to Compare to Win. The best rolling air conditioner is probably one of the most versatile and convenient cooling solutions available today, offering a portable way to beat the heat without the need for permanent installation. These units are perfect for apartments, dorm rooms, or any space where traditional air conditioning isn't an option, providing targeted cooling exactly where and when you need it most. With their mobility and ease of use, they've become an increasingly popular choice for consumers seeking flexible and effective climate control. Number 5. BLACK+DECKER 10,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner. This versatile unit not only cools your room but also functions as a dehumidifier and a fan. It offers convenient control through its remote and top-mounted LED display. Perfect for rooms up to 450 square feet, it ensures you stay cool and sleep soundly during hot summer months. Enjoy a comfortable environment all season long. The included remote control has a "Follow Me" function. This allows it to act as a thermostat, ensuring the temperature is precisely controlled wherever you are. Moving it from room to room is a breeze thanks to the built-in casters and convenient side handles. Enjoy cool air wherever you need it most. Setting it up is easy with the included window kit. Its large, vented airflow outlet efficiently brings cool air into your space. What we like. This unit offers precise temperature control with its Follow Me remote, ensuring comfort wherever you are in the room. Its easy mobility makes it perfect for moving between spaces. If you prioritize consistent, personalized cooling and the convenience of adjusting the temperature from your couch or bed, this is the one for you. What people say. The unit is very quiet and cools the room quickly. Easy to set up and move around the room. The remote control is convenient and easy to use. Number 4. SereneLife Portable Air Conditioner 8000 BTU. Introducing the SereneLife Portable Air Conditioner. This unit offers powerful cooling with 8000 BTU, perfect for any room in your home or office. It's more than just an air conditioner. Choose between cooling, dehumidifying, or fan-only modes to create your ideal environment. Reduce humidity and create a less hospitable environment for allergens like dust mites and mold. This feature helps you breathe easier. Easily adjust settings with the digital touch panel or the included remote control. You can set the temperature, fan speed, and timer with ease. Its lightweight and sleek design, complete with rolling wheels, makes it easy to move. Enjoy fast, powerful cooling in spaces up to 215 square feet. Experience powerful cooling without the disruptive noise. This unit operates at a low noise level, ensuring your comfort. What we like. Experience rapid and robust cooling thanks to its dual motor system, all while maintaining a low noise level. This makes it ideal for bedrooms or offices where quiet is essential. If you're looking for quick, powerful cooling without the disruptive noise, this unit is a fantastic choice. What people say. The unit is very quiet and cools the room quickly. Easy to set up and move around the room. The remote control is convenient and easy to use. Number 3. Shinco 8000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner. Experience exceptional cooling with 8000 BTU capacity, perfect for spaces up to 350 square feet. Enjoy a comfortable environment even on the hottest summer days with customizable temperature settings. This unit offers 3 modes, cool, fan, and dry, adapting to your needs year-round. It efficiently dehumidifies up to 19.2 L per day and provides a strong airflow of 290 cubic meters H. Easily move it from room to room thanks to its compact design and casters. Adjust settings conveniently with the included remote control from up to 23 feet away. The intuitive LED display makes operation simple. You can also manually adjust the air outlet grill to direct airflow exactly where you need it. Should you encounter any issues, our dedicated customer service team is ready to assist. We guarantee a response within 24 hours to help resolve any problems. What we like. This unit excels at removing moisture from the air, making it perfect for humid climates or basements. Its adjustable airflow and compact size allow for targeted cooling and easy placement. If you struggle with humidity and need a versatile unit for smaller spaces, this is a great option. What people say. The unit is very quiet and cools the room quickly. Easy to set up and move around. The remote control is convenient and has many functions. Number 2. SereneLife 10,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner. Experience efficient cooling with 10,000 BTUs, perfect for rooms up to 300 square feet, enjoy powerful airflow and quiet operation at just 57 dBA. This unit offers 3 essential functions: cooling, dehumidifying, and fan modes. Set it up quickly and easily for instant comfort. Beyond just cooling, it effectively reduces humidity in your room. Enjoy a more comfortable and drier environment. Manage your comfort effortlessly with the included remote control. Adjust the mode, timer, temperature, and fan speed from anywhere in the room. Its sleek, freestanding design fits seamlessly into any room, home, or office. Plus, with rolling wheels and a window mount kit, placement is a breeze. Take control even further with Wi-Fi app connectivity. Manage your settings remotely for ultimate convenience. What we like. Control your comfort from anywhere with its Wi-Fi app connectivity, offering ultimate convenience. With 10,000 BTU, it's powerful enough for larger rooms. If you're a tech-savvy individual who loves smart home integration and wants to manage your cooling remotely, this unit is designed for you. What people say. The unit is very quiet and cools the room quickly. Easy to set up and move around. The remote control is convenient and easy to use. Number 1. DREO Portable Air Conditioner 318S. Experience powerful cooling that reaches up to 14 feet away. You can easily set your preferred temperature between 61 degrees Fahrenheit and 86 degrees Fahrenheit for ultimate comfort. This unit offers 3 modes: cool, fan, and dry, adapting to any situation. Enjoy powerful dehumidification to stay dry and comfortable. Our patented noise isolation system significantly reduces noise to just 45 dB. It's perfect for quiet environments like bedrooms or workspaces. This unit automatically evaporates excess water in most conditions, eliminating the need for drainage. A hose is included for very humid environments. Control your comfort with voice commands via Siri, Alexa, or Google Home. You can also monitor and customize settings through our dedicated app. What we like. Enjoy hassle-free cooling with its innovative drainage-free system, eliminating the need for frequent emptying in most conditions. Plus, its ultra-quiet operation and smart home compatibility make it perfect for modern living. If you value convenience, quiet operation, and the ability to control your AC with your voice or app, this is the ultimate smart cooling solution. What people say. The unit is very quiet and cools the room quickly. Easy to set up and operate, even for a beginner. The remote control is convenient for adjusting settings from across the room. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.